We're located at 342 Marietta Street in a row of historic buildings and basically gutted it and redid the space planning and redesigned it. We are a creative agency, so we wanted our space to reflect a high level of creativity.
The inspiration for the design was the Jones Group themselves. I spent time in their office. I just kind of hid in the corner and fed off of the energy. It's a very strong, serious branded company, but there's also a lot of playfulness there. So I wanted to take those two feelings and meld them together.
We wanted to retain the historical nature of the space that we had and then juxtapose it with very, very modern, cutting-edge material.
It was a new product that we brought into their design called Curie Board. It is a beautiful, beautiful, warm, inviting material. It was used in basically cladding all the walls upstairs. It was used in the staircase for the landing, for the risers, for the treads.
We used all sustainable materials, so we were able to take those materials and really make a bold statement with them. The lower level of the offices is where everyone works. We wanted the space to have more of an airy feel, so it was actually Vicki who had requested that when we combined the spaces, the old stairwell remained translucent, but we needed the floor space for the reception area. So we were able to get something translucent and then lit it from below so that it would glow red.
Our conference room fixture is called Princess of the P, and it's just this stunning disc.
We wanted areas that would be for personal use and then for the whole firm to use. Those are more mixed on the two floors.
We're just most excited about Karen bringing together this team of local talent, and they had their influence in hand all over the space in different aspects, from the lighting to the overall furniture, custom designs, to our wall mural 12 by 12, which is the center focal point of the space.